Right, today we have got a Lexus key, 3-button. So it's simple as you like to take to bits. Well, I say that, it is for me. There's a little button on the top there. Push it to one side, your key comes out. Alright, put that to one side. That leaves you with, you can see the innards there. If you get yourself a little screwdriver, stick it in there and go like that, she opens up. You should be strong enough with your fingers to do this. So there's your innards. Right, let's put that to one side. On this side you've got like a plastic tray which comes out, okay, which is rather dusty to say the least. Right, let's put that to one side. And then you got the backs of the 3 buttons there. Okay. So if I go like so, empty shell. Alright, no buttons. So what I'll show you is, and this is awkward, I tell you now. This is awkward. Just to get these back in. It can be a bit of a pig, especially when you've got the wrong way up. So that one goes in there like so. There's your next button. And that goes in there like that. Okay, fiddly as. And there's your last little baby button. Can you see her? Okay, she goes in there. Alright. Now that is fiddly, don't get me wrong, it's not an easy job. Okay, I'll put that to one side. Oh, sorry, your case goes back in as well first. Okay, so slide that back in there without knocking the buttons back out like I have. Fiddly, 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 this is horribly fiddly. There you go, she's in. Right, tray on top. Okay, push your tray down and in. Just sit down nicely. Alright. Let's just double check that is the way around, there's not a wrong way around. Yes there is. There's a lug here, can you see it? Goes in this top corner. So it's that away. Alright. There you go, she sits in lovely. Let's put that to one side for you. Right. This is your gubbins, how it all works, your little chipboard. That comes out. There's nothing in that case, just a bit of plastic. So, what you got here is PCB board. Battery on the back there. Okay, change that as well if you want. There is a little rubber mat here that needs to be there for it's just defence. Okay, put your buttons on top. Okay, I'm going to give that a good blow, it's got a bit of dust on it. Right, that's cleaned. And when you put it back together, this bit here, okay, goes there. So that way around. Okay, she lays in. Ooh. All we're going to do is put the other half of the key back on. So clip that together. The key goes back in there. Hey presto, all done, back together. Battery changed if you want to. Everyone's a winner. Alright, cheers boys and girls.